We're at the 1,000 Trails in Texoma, kind of semi-quarantined, but at least we can get out, walk, ride our bikes, and now we're gonna take Monster Boy out. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you should see his hat. Look at the wind blowing it up. That hat looks so funny. Oops, don't hit your chin on that. That's the section that's missing. Huh. That is so funny. I thought it was a bridge for a trail. It's not. Yeah, I'm getting a turtle. Oh, he can't put his own hat on? Oh, jeekers, what's the matter with him? That's a good boy. Now you're gonna get a workout. Wow, look at that big log right there, man. You have to hit that with a boat at about 20 miles an hour, or 30, or 40.
Ordinarily, if we went into quarantine, there'd be people at the lodge, at the swimming pool, at the sand volleyball court, and definitely at the miniature golf. We have seen a few people, like one family at a time, playing miniature golf with their own clubs. Otherwise, it's just pretty quiet. Everybody keeping to themselves. You see people out walking, riding their bikes to keep their exercise going, but they're not walking in large groups. And when you say hi to people, you know, you say it from the road to their site. So usually you get a hi, how you doing, that kind of stuff. Maybe a little conversation, but definitely you on the road and them at their spot. Not like it used to be where you just walked up and started a conversation, laugh for a little while, talk for a little while, getting to know lots of people, enjoying. So, you know, if you're thinking that people who are on the road full time are not actually quarantining, they actually are. Everybody's pretty much staying to themselves. You know, living full time on the road makes it a little hard to find some place to go, even though we are extremely appreciative of the fact that we had several offers from family and friends to come and pull our rig up to their driveway and just stay with them. That was the sweetest thing ever. But, you know, being members of Thousand Trails, we were able to get in here. Since it's a private campground, it hasn't shut down yet. And if it's like the Corps was, if they do shut down, if you're here, you can stay. If you're not here, those are the ones that can't come in. And honestly, there hasn't been that much coming and going anyway. We got here about 3 days ago, and maybe a handful of rigs. And most of those were annuals anyway. They already had a site here and they were basically coming home as a spot for them to stay. It's a nice campground. It's about like Whitney. It needs some road work and some of the campsites need a little work, but you know, it's a nice place to hang out for a couple. The playground looks like a crime scene. What you have to do to keep kids off because of the corona. Cute story. I was coming back from my walk and I went over by the lodge where they have the playground all tied up with that caution tape. And this little boy and his mom were on their golf cart. He happened to be sitting in her lap pretending to drive the golf cart. Well, we stopped and talked for a little bit, and then the little boy said, "Are you going to the playground?" I said, "No, I don't think so." He said, "Well, don't go to the playground. Don't go to the playground. They got the playground all tied up. They got it tied up because there's a bad guy and he's trying to steal all the germs off the playground. So don't go to the playground." So, well, if he's a bad guy and he's trying to steal the germs, we're going to call him a good guy. And so his mom just chuckled. Oh, he's so cute.